In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance. It's simple and quick. So let's get started. First of all, open the Binance app on your phone. Then tap on the wallet or assets option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on add found. Then select crypto or on-chain deposit. Now search for USDT and select it. Then choose your preferred network, for example Polygon or depending on what Trust Wallet supports. Then tap to copy the deposit address. Now go back and open your Trust Wallet application. Then tap on send. Now select the same network you chose on Binance. Tap on USDT. Then paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Then tap next and that's it. Your USDT will be transferred to your Binance account shortly. Transfer usually take a few minutes depending on the network you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.